The Hyundai Alcazar infotainment system can experience common issues like frozen screens and no sound, especially in older models. Let's walk through the most effective troubleshooting steps. Here's what a typical Alcazar infotainment display looks like when functioning normally. When issues occur, the screen may freeze or audio may stop working completely. The most common problems are screen freezing and complete audio failure. These issues can be frustrating, but are often fixable with the right approach. The first and most effective solution is performing a soft reset. This resolves about 70% of infotainment issues without any data loss. To perform a soft reset, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system completely shuts down. The system will then restart automatically, which often resolves frozen screen issues. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a menu-based factory reset. This is more thorough, but will reset your personal settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Reset. Select Factory Reset or System Reset and confirm the action. This will restore the system to default settings and often fixes persistent software issues. For no sound issues specifically, there are several quick checks you can perform before attempting a full system reset. First, check that the volume isn't muted or set too low. Verify the correct audio source is selected. Test different inputs like radio, USB, and Bluetooth to isolate the problem. Finally, check speaker connections for any loose wiring. Here's what the audio system wiring looks like. Loose connections at any point can cause complete audio failure. For frozen screen issues, there are additional steps beyond system resets that can help restore functionality. Clean the screen thoroughly with an appropriate cleaning solution. Check for any physical damage or moisture that might interfere with touch sensitivity. Remove any screen protectors that may be causing issues and calibrate the touchscreen through the Settings menu. These troubleshooting steps resolve most common Alcazar infotainment issues. Software problems can usually be fixed with resets, while hardware issues may require professional attention. When a soft reset doesn't resolve your Alcazar's infotainment issues, it's time to try a hard reset. There are two main methods to perform a complete system reset. The first method involves disconnecting the vehicle's battery. Turn off your vehicle completely, then disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait 15 to 20 minutes for the system capacitors to fully discharge, then reconnect the terminal and start your vehicle. Alternatively, you can use the fuse removal method, which is often easier and doesn't require battery access. For the fuse removal method, locate your vehicle's infotainment system fuse in the fuse box. Remove it carefully, wait 10 minutes, then reinstall it securely. Always check your owner's manual for the exact fuse location. If both hard reset methods fail to resolve the issue, it's time to seek professional assistance from an authorized service center. Contact an authorized Hyundai service center when multiple reset attempts fail, when you notice physical damage, when the issue is covered under warranty, or when complex wiring problems are suspected. To prevent future infotainment issues, follow these essential maintenance practices. Keep your system updated with regular software updates. Avoid installing unofficial applications. Protect the system from extreme temperatures, and schedule annual system health checks. Following these practices can prevent up to 40% of infotainment issues. Remember, hard resets can resolve most persistent infotainment issues, but don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Proper maintenance and care will keep your Alcazar's infotainment system running smoothly for years to come.